Imagine this. You're a British redcoat standing in the heart of battle. The cannon smoke fills the air, musket fire cracks through the silence, and you brace yourself for impact. Suddenly you realize over 2 million people are watching your story unfold on TikTok. Then you see another viral video, this time the POV of a Spanish conquistador. It has hundreds of thousands of views, bringing in thousands of dollars for the creator. This is more than just a trend. This is a brand new, untapped niche, and those who jump in early will be at the forefront of a viral wave. If you want to ride this wave and create highly engaging AI-powered history videos, keep watching. By the end of this guide, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to create your own viral POV history videos, even if you've never edited a video before. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choosing a viral point of view idea. Every great TikTok video starts with a powerful idea, and for this niche, the key is immersion. We want to drop the viewer into the most intense, emotional, or action-packed moments in history. To generate the best ideas, we'll use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask it, give me 10 intense, first-person historical POV ideas for a TikTok video. Once you have your list, choose one that stands out. Once you've picked your idea, ask ChatGPT, describe 15 action-packed key moments that happen in this scene. This step-by-step breakdown will serve as the storyboard for your video. Step 2. Creating AI-generated images that look stunning. Once we have our storyline, it's time to bring it to life. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI, an incredibly powerful tool for generating high-quality, ultra-realistic images. How to generate AI images? Go to Leonardo AI and open the Image Generation tab. Use the following settings. Model, Leonardo Phoenix 1.0, best for realism. Style, dynamic. Aspect ratio, 9:16 for short format. Enter your first prompt based on the scene ChatGPT provided. And remember, avoid violent or abusive content in your prompts before paste it to Leonardo. Add first-person perspective of, to ensure the AI generates the correct viewpoint. Generate multiple variations of each scene to get the best options. Once done, download all images and prepare them for animation. Step 3. Animating your AI images. Static images alone won't make a video go viral. We need to bring them to life. To bring these visuals to life, use Kling AI. Among various AI video tools, Kling AI currently offers the best balance between quality and affordability. On the Kling AI homepage, go to AI videos and select Image to Video. Choose Frames mode and upload your image. Adjust settings by increasing creativity to 0.7 to generate more dynamic results. If you're creating cinematic content, extend the duration to 10 seconds for a more immersive effect. After configuring everything, hit Generate and watch the transformation. Step 4. Adding powerful sound effects for maximum impact. Sound design is one of the most underrated elements of viral content. A great video can become cinematic just by adding the right sound effects and music. Where to get free sound effects? Go to Pixabay, a free sound effects library. Search for historically accurate sound effects, such as cannon fire for battle scenes, swords clashing for medieval fights, crowd screaming for chaotic moments, church bells for religious or eerie atmospheres, marching soldiers for war scenes. Download each effect and organize them for editing. Once we have our sound library, we're ready to move on. Step 5. Editing the video to perfection. Now it's time to put everything together and make it look professional. We'll use CapCut, a free, easy-to-use editing software. Editing process. Import all animated AI clips into CapCut. Arrange them in order based on the ChatGPT-generated storyline. Sync the sound effects with the animations for a cinematic feel. Add captions for extra engagement. Use bold, clear fonts. Place the text at the top of the screen. Apply smooth transitions between scenes. Use black fade for dramatic cuts. Adjust duration to 0.3 seconds for fast pacing. Apply final color adjustments. Increase saturation plus 10% for richer visuals. Add a vignette effect plus 20% for a cinematic look. Exporting settings for maximum quality. Resolution 1080p. Frame rate 60 FPS. Format MP4. Your video is now ready to go viral. Final thoughts. The time to start is now. This niche is brand new, wide open, and insanely profitable. The first few creators who take advantage of this will see massive success, just like the early days of faceless storytelling videos. Now, the only question is, will you be one of the first to seize this opportunity? If so, start today, before this niche becomes sad. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my channel. Peace.
Young California bonfire 200 pounds.